Alright, so we bought a boat from Odessa auto auction. It's 2017 Yamaha AR190. We bought it for $16,000. And now I'm here at auction, just paid at the office, and I'm going to pick it up and we'll see how it goes. There we go, we are right here in the entrance yard, and this is the boat. I don't know if you can see, guys, but there she is. It's far in the center corner of the lot. So we're almost there, guys. Alright, so we were on the market to buy the boat, and my brother showed me this. It's a pretty small boat on Odessa auto auction, and this boat was a repo. So we decided to bid on it. It was on sale for the first time. It didn't go through. The sale price was too low, so they released it. And now we bid it a little bit more, couple thousand more. So we ended up paying $16,000 plus 500 fees. So out-the-door price is $16,500 for that boat. Alright, so this is the boat. Very nice condition, brand new tires. Look at the tires, it's brand new. Trailer has no rust at all. Look at the boat. It's a jet propeller. It's a Yamaha AR190. Has a registration till 2019. Very nice boat. Look at the condition of it. Perfect. I like it. Okay. The only thing that is missing is the tower. You can see it right here. Tower has been, I don't know, stolen or something. That's what I see. Maybe there are more things that are missing on the boat. I'm not sure. We'll check it later when we get the boat in the shop. Underneath, it's all fine. No cracks, no nothing. So, first impression is pretty good. We'll see how it goes later. So this is the boat that we got. We just got it maybe 2 hours ago. So let's go and check it inside and see if it works. Alright, so this is the boat. As you guys can see, it still have the 2019 registration. Today is 2020, so it's been used pretty freshly, maybe last summer. Condition is very good. It has a lot of dust in it, but when we will wash it, it's gonna be super clean and fun. So as you guys can see, it's a jet type of the engine. It's the same as a jet ski. Should be pretty powerful. We'll see how it goes. Condition is very good. Yes, it do have some scratches on the bottom, as you guys can see right here, but it's pretty minor. Right here, I don't care about that. It has the missing front cushion, which we already ordered. It's on the way. It's missing the tower, as you can see right here. We already bought it and we're gonna install it today as well. Let's check it out, the compartment area right here. There we go. A lot of dust, dirt inside, but it looks fine. Okay, this is the boat. As you guys can see, it's pretty big one, so looks like 7 people on this area, 2 people here. It has the maximum capacity of 8 people, but I'm pretty sure you can fit more people inside the boat. This is the captain's seat, 2 gucks. It has the horn, lights, and then cruise assist. It has very nice propeller type jet on the right side. A bunch of compartment areas. It has the radio, it has the speakers. So we'll check everything in a bit. If everything works. It should work, because when we bought the boat, it was showing that they inspected and everything was working. This is the engine bay. Looks brand new, honestly, guys. Looks very fresh. It's a 2017, so everything should be as a brand new boat. Let's check here. Oh, Okay, that they have looks like they have two new batteries, which is fine. It has a fire extinguisher, medical first aid kit. Okay, it looks fine. We'll see how it goes. It should start and it should work fine. Alright, so we're gonna put together the bimini top for the boat, and I'm gonna put the camera aside and you'll see the time lapse. The bimini top and the tower that we bought, I found them on Facebook. It was pretty good pricing. It's aftermarket stuff, but their product is very good. So let's see how it works out. So now we're gonna install the tower in the boat. I'm gonna put a time lapse so you guys can see that.